Here we're going to do an outstanding balance question. So let's take for an example. Here's a practical example from previous question paper. So Mpilo takes a loan from a bank to start her own business. Her monthly repayments are 30,428 for 15 years. Ne? The interest rate is 9% compounded monthly. Right, so this is a loan. So loan silindele ukuthi la we're gonna use formula yanu a present value, which is p is equals to x 1 minus 1 plus I raised by negative n divided by I. So kulindele sosenza le formula. Question number 1. We should determine how much did Mpilo initially borrow from the bank. So we're looking for the present value, how much did she borrow. So can I formula? So we have P equals to X into 1 minus 1 plus I raised by negative N, and it's all divided by I. Formula sheet. So la kwenzakalani ke? Siyachecka la Mpilo takes us a loan from a bank to start her own business. Her monthly repayment. So we know what's the monthly repayment to X lawyer. It's 30,428. And then for 15 years, so we know what N is over 15 years. So since it's 9% compounded monthly, so we know what you're going to multiply by 12 lapam. Compounded monthly means I we have 9% wethu, which is equivalent to 0.09. Since it's compounded monthly, we know what we're gonna divide by 12. So sesingawu substitute ke la esikhundleni sa x we're gonna substitute 30,428 and then 1 minus, then la kuzoba or 1 plus 1 minus volume brackets 1 plus interest rate here to 0.09 divided by 12 since it's compounded monthly, then phezulu negative n wethu uzoba ubani 15 years bese because it's compounded monthly kuzoba multiplied by 12 sesalivala ke bracket, it's all divided by 0.09 divided by 12 bese ke la sesishaya calculator sithole i-answer yethu ongubani ongu-3 million point 240. So nansi imali that she initially borrowed from the bank. Right, let's go to 1.2. We should determine the balance of the loan at the end of 5 years. So now we wanna know yokuthi loan period, this is 1 2 3 4 5, iyaqhubeka 6 7 yabo, uyaqhubeka uyakhokha each and every month, uyakhokha. Sifukwazi ukuthi after 5 years lo muntu lona usekweleda malini, right? We know ukuthi u3 million lo mawuse bank ugain interest each and every month, ugain interest. Nale mali uyakhokha, nale mali nayo ugain interest. So we're looking for the outstanding balance. The balance of the loan at the end of 5 years. It's the same as the outstanding balance after 5 years. So zuthu indlela zokuyibala. Singibeke lo la. Okay. So we can use a future value like formula, no? So sebenzisa le formula le A is equal to 1 plus I raised by n. Le formula eyokugrowa imali enjani esavile yabo engadepositwa monthly, engasi annuity. So u3 million sizogrowa u3 million sizogrowa for 5 years 0.09 percent lethu lelo 0.09, you know, because siyabona la ukuthi percent 0.09 divided by 12, then sifuna ukwazi ukuthi after 5 years u3 million uzobe usuyimalini. So mase ubheka la u3 million uzobe usu 4,697 and 43.45, right? Then now we want to know each and every month we deposit 30,000, right? So we want to know after 5 years 30,000 laba abadeposithayo bazobe sebeyimalini. Siyabuya la future value because 30,000 it's like uyawusave. Future value, it's x equals to 1 plus I raised by n minus 1 all divided by I. X uzobuba lapha u-30,428 and then 1 plus interest rate is 0.09 divided by 12. Then lapha phezulu is going to be raised by 5. Since it's compounded monthly, so multiply on 12. Then it's all divided by 0.09 divided by 12. So mashali the calculating we will get 2,295 and 5.63. So lento le ichaza ukuthini? For 5 years imali yakhe igrowile, isikweletu sigrowe saya ku 4 million. Le mali ayideposit every month igrowe to 2 million. So manje le mali yesikweletu minus imali ayikhokhile, that is the outstanding balance. So we have A of le mali le, subtract i-future value le, bese sizothola imali ayikweletayo. So ulo subtract lo, sizothola bani? 2,402 and then 237, right, 82. So it's 2,402 and then it is 0.37 and 82. So this is the outstanding balance. So ngitheni indlela eziwu2 zokuyibala ne, ile yokusebenzisa u-A ne-future value or khona emfishane. Le mfishane eyokusebenzisa just in i-present value. So la let's say we're using a present value formula ke, sizoyenza kanjani ke masisebenzisa i-present value formula? We're just gonna say P is equals to X into 1 minus 1 plus I raised by negative n divided by I. Umehluko, okay, u-X wethu la is about 30,428, 1 minus 1 plus interest 0.09 divided by 12. Imehluko ukuthi if you use le formula le, you grow imali for 5 years. You grow imali ama-payments for 5 years. Then ufuna i-difference. But masebenzisa i-present value, we're looking for the present value after 5 years. Ukuthi usekweleta malini, right? Like after 5 years, we'll know ukuthi mayikweleta le mali chaza ukuthi that is the present value after 5 years. So kusele how many years? Kusele u-15 years ukuthi akhokhe. It's compounded monthly, izoba multiplied by 12. So chaza ukuthi mabesibuza for the outstanding balance after 10 years. Masebenzisa le besofaka u-1010. Masebenzisa le besofaka bani iminyaka esele, which is 5 years. Mabethe bafuna outstanding balance after 12 years, lana bese ngisifaka u12 times 12 besofaka bani u3 years, because sekusele ubani u3 years ukuze kuhlangane bani u15 years. So la it's all divided by 0.09 divided by 12. Mosha calculating le izokuhlalisa exactly ku 2,402 and 37.82. So le imfishane unale, yabo. So for an example, let's say bathem sengibeka nje eceleni la, let's say bathena find you are saving for 2 years, 2 years, 2 years, which is 24 months. But what is the outstanding balance after 7 months? If you're using this one, buzobhala balana grow le mali for 7 months, grow my payments for 7 months, then you subtract le ama payment, you subtract kuphi kumali loan. But if you're using this one, awukwazi ukufaka 7 months, kumele ufake ukuthi kusele malini ngale. So since it's 24 months ekhokha 7 months, should kuzoba 24 subtract 7, bese kuphuma bani lapho u17. Shuthi la ubuzobhala bani u17. Right, so this is the outstanding balance.